Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to remove your USB memory stick correctly. You may think this is a waste of time, but actually, if you don't eject your USB flash drive correctly, then you could corrupt your data and you will lose it all. So let's get into it. There are two ways you can eject your memory stick once finished what you need to do. The first way is using the icon on your desktop. Don't worry if you haven't got this, as you can do it another way which I will show you later. You will need to locate the icon and right click. As you can see, there is an option that says eject. Click on the eject button and a notification should come up on your screen saying your device can now safely be removed by your computer. The second method is as follows. First, click on the arrow on the right hand corner of your screen on the taskbar. Hover over the memory stick icon and it should say safely remove hardware and eject media. Then you just click on your device you wish to remove, and a notification should pop up on your screen saying your device can now be safely removed by your computer. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I hope that helps you.
If everyone knows, why ain't nobody telling